Good morning, children. Welcome back to our mathematics class. How are you all?
Fine, teacher. Fine, teacher.
Very good. So in last class, we started the new chapter, how heavy, how light. So half of the chapter completed. And today we are moving to the next part of the chapter. So part 2 of how light. Children, if you open your textbook, page number 137. Yes, children. Which pan of the balance will go down? Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. So here, some weights you have. You can see the weights here. Children, before that, you know that clearly 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. Okay? And 1/4 kilogram equals to 750 grams. Half kilogram equals to 500 grams. And 3/4 kilogram equals to 750 grams. One-fourth kilogram equals to 250 grams. So this you have to remember first. Okay? Now here we have balances in the two pans. We have to check which one is heavy. What is here? Which pan of the balance will go down?
Right side.
Go down. Which is
Right side.
having more weight? Which is having more weight? That pan will go down. So first we have to calculate the total weight of each pan. So here we have 25 grams and 40 grams. 25 plus 40, how much weight is? 3 grams. Here we have 55 grams plus 40 grams. 55 plus 40. Anyone from the class?
95.
Very good. 95 grams. So which is more here, 65 or 95?
95, ma'am.
So this pan will go down. We have to show the arrow down. This pan will go down. Okay? So like this you have to show. Okay, children? Next, look at the second one. So in that how much we have? 75, 75. And 35, 140.
Ma'am, right side is correct one.
75 plus 75, how much, ma? Children, calculate it and tell me. 75 plus 75.
50.
What?
150 grams.
150 grams. Very good. 35 and 140? 35 and 140?
175 grams.
175 grams. So which pan is having heavy weight? This first one or second one?
Second one.
So this one. So 175 grams is 175 grams is having more. This pan is having more weight. So it will go down. The pan which is having more weight will go down. So like that, calculate the remaining 4 and tell me. Make it fast. Calculate the remaining 4 and tell me, ma. Do it in textbook itself.
Ma'am, third one is right. Second one, ma'am.
Yeah. So here, in this, which pan will go down? First one or second one?
Second one. Second one.
Right. So what is the weight here? 305 grams. Here?
grams.
Yes. So here,
Second.
here 854 grams. Here 1000 grams. So which pen will go down?
First one.
First one.
one.
Here in third one, here 396 grams. Here
First-
197
Teacher,
grams.
first pen. First
Very good.
pen.
Here,
Second pen. Teacher, second pen.
second pen will go down. Very good. So you done nice calculations, children. Now here we have some questions. Is the weight on any
Ma'am?
pen is equal to 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram where ma? Where you will get? 1 kilogram where you got ma?
First.
Unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Teacher, first pen.
1 kilogram ma? 1 kilogram means how many grams?
1000 grams.
1000 grams. In second picture we got. Okay, so that mark it 1000 grams. We know that 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. Mark that 1000 grams there. So we know that 1 kilogram equals to how many grams now? 1000 grams. All of you look at page number 138. Grams and kilograms. Name 5 things that we usually buy. So what type of items you will buy ma in grams and kilograms? Ujjwala, don't play. Sit properly. Name 5 things that we usually buy in grams and kilograms. Can anyone from the class ma?
Spices, ma'am. Rice.
What?
Spicy.
Spice.
Spices.
Spices. Okay, then say 5 things you have to say. Spices means how many you will get. Laina, tell me.
5 things. Textbook. Rice.
Rice in kilograms or grams? Rice in kilograms. Next.
Ma'am. Mummy, jump. Mummy, third one. Ma'am. Sugar. Ma'am, sugar, ma'am.
Sugar. Sugar in which kilograms or grams? You have to say that also. Sugar in kilograms.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Kilograms, ma'am.
Kilograms. Next.
ma'am. Kilograms, ma'am. Sugar.
Sugar in kilograms.
Oil.
Next.
Ma'am, oil. Grams.
Next.
Ma'am, oil.
Oil. Oil in liters
Teacher,
you
oil.
purchase na.
Liters, ma'am. Ma'am, gold grams.
Regularly you will buy gold, Harshvardhan? Okay then. So you have to write 5 things which usually we will buy. You have to write in grams and kilograms. Do it at home. Okay? This is homework. Next. Yeah, children, here look at this one. Dinesh went shopping. Yeah, Amrita, read it, ma.
Can I read?
Amrita.
Yes, and write the weight of.
Yeah, I cannot see Amrita here. Children, all of you. Yeah, Dinesh went to a shop and bought some things. His younger brother cut the end of the bill where the weights were given. Guess and write the weight of each thing he bought in kg or kilograms. In kilograms or grams. Rice ma. Rice kilograms or grams?
Kilogram.
Rice kilograms.
Kilograms,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Sugar?
Kilogram. Kilograms.
Kilograms. Very good. Mustard sheets?
Grams.
Grams. Very good. Wheat?
Grams.
Wheat?
Kilograms.
Kilograms. Very good. Dal?
Kilograms.
Dal kilograms?
Grams.
500 kilograms will you take? Yes. Grams. Tea? Grams. Pepper?
Grams.
Very good. Next. Car and tractor. Samuel, read it, ma.
How can I read it? Ma'am,
Read it.
car and
Tractor.
tractor. Ritu is waiting her toys. She wants to know if her tractor is heavier than
Tractor
her
is.
car. Heavier than the car.
How would you help her to find out quickly? How would you help, ma?
Which was down, that is heavier, ma'am.
Which one is down? So what she done, ma? She made a balance and she put both of them in two pans. And the object which is having heavy weight, that pan will go down. Okay. So by the picture, what you can say? Tractor or car is heavier. Which one is heavier?
Tractor.
Tractor is heavier than car.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which is the heaviest? Real car or real bus or tractor?
Tractor. Ma'am. Bus, ma'am. Bus and tractor.
Tractor or bus?
Bus.
Bus is heavier than tractor. Okay.
Tractor, ma'am.
Which is the heaviest thing you have seen?
Train, ma'am.
Right. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Train.
So you have good knowledge about weights. Very good, children. Keep it up. Here we have an interesting story. Okay, listen carefully. Everybody mute yourself. Okay. Joy, read it, ma.
Ma'am, this story I have in Hindi, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Joy, read it.
Elephant.
Once a king had paid
Little bit louder, Joy. We can't hear your voice.
Once a king,
elephant's weight. Ma'am, is it audible?
Yes, ma, yes.
Once a king had pain in his stomach. None of the palace doctors could cure his pain. Then the king said, anyone who cures my pain will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant. On hearing this, all doctors from all over the country came, but only Dr. Valdika could cure him. Oh great, my pain has gone. Thank you, Dr. Valdika. So, can I have my reward, sir?
Yes.
But the greedy king didn't want to give her the gold. So he thought of a trick. Okay, first find the weight of an elephant. Then I will give you that much gold.
Very good. Yeah.
Vaidika was unhappy when she reached home. she told her daughter the whole story.
Yes, wait, ma. We will give
Okay.
chance to another one. Okay, Joy. Nice reading. Shrija, read it, ma.
Ma'am,
Yeah, read it.
next morning, Dr.
Yes, here you
Videka,
have to read it. This one also. The matter in clouds. That also you have to read.
how can I weigh an elephant? Where will I get such a big balance? Don't worry, Ma. I have an idea. Tell the king to arrange an elephant and a big boat. Next
Yes.
morning, Dr. Videka
Vaidika.
invited the king. Pratika invited the king near a river. The king came with an elephant and a big boat. I think she is a fool. How will she weigh an elephant with a boat?
Yes.
Videka's
Vaidika's
daughter,
daughter.
Videka's daughter went into the river. She marked on the boat how much it sank in the river.
Sank.
Then
How much it sank in the river.
How much it sank in the river. Then she asked them to bring the elephant into the boat. The boat sank deeper, so she marked the new water level on the boat.
Yes. Now imagine what happened next and complete the story. Yeah, tell me, ma. Can you say that how she weighed the gold now? Anyone from the class? What Vaidika done? First, she marked the boat level. Okay. Then she asked the king to put the elephant in the boat. Then she marked the water level, how much it sank in the river. Next, what she done? Anyone from the class? Then they removed the elephant from the boat and Vaidika asked the king to put the gold into the boat. Till where? Till the second mark. Second mark is the elephant's weight. Okay. When the elephant was in the boat, she marked one line on the boat. So that much gold the king has to weight. So she asked the king to put the gold into the boat till the water level comes to the line. Okay. So like that she got the prize money from the king. Okay, children. So you said that already you have the story in English in your Hindi class. Okay, but you did not give the answer to me. Okay, then fine. How much the chair weighs? Harsha, read it.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Harsha, read. Harshavardhan.
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait, next you will get the chance, Ma Pratibha. Who is asking?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I am reading.
Yeah, Harsha, start.
Anamika want to weight his chair using the
Weighing mission.
weight machine. Can you
Suggest
suggest a way of
for doing this.
BROK?
Yeah, can you suggest, Ma? Anyone from the class? How Anamika can weigh the chair? Is it fit on the chair can fit on the weighing machine? Can we fit on the chair on the weighing machine?
No, ma'am.
Then how can you weight it?
No, ma'am.
Anyone from the class? Think logically.
Firewood.
Who will say the answer, Ma?
Ma'am, firewood.
No. Yeah. First, what Anamika done is she kept a pad on the weighing machine. Okay, which can hold the chair. Okay, so she marked its weight first. Okay, then what she done? She kept the chair on the pad. So the weight is equal to the pad and the chair. You will get. Okay. Suppose first she got the weight of the pad 5 kg. After putting the chair, she got its weight 63 kgs. Okay. So then how you will find the difference weight? Tell me. How you will find the weight of the chair? From the total weight, if you subtract the weight of the pad, you will get the weight of the chair. Is it children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So suppose in our school in class 2 we
Ma'am,
checked your
58.
weight. We checked your weights. Did you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that time we think that Samuel, he done with his shoes. He went to the weighing machine. So what is the weight he got? 25 kgs. Okay. So but we don't know what, the weight of the Samuel and his shoes both is 25 kgs. But we need only Samuel's weight. So suppose if you weigh the shoes weight on the machine, so it got here, we got 1 kg. Then what is weight of Samuel?
2 kgs.
24 kgs. Very good. So 25 minus that 1 kg we have to do. Like that she done what she done? First she kept a pad on the weighing machine which holds the chair. Okay, then she kept the chair on the pad. She got both weight, the pad and the chair. So then she subtracted the weight of the pad from the second weight. She got the weight of the chair. Okay, children. So you have to think a little bit logically. Okay, then next, Pratibha.
Can I read?
Yeah, read it, ma'am.
Ma'am, please, can I read? Ma'am, can I read? Abdul sells
Firewood.
Firewood. There was a stone in his shop which weighed 13 kgs. He used it to weigh firewood. One day, the stone fell down and broke it into three,
Into 3 pieces.
which weighed 2 kg, 5 kg, and 6 kg.
Next, but
Abdul was very smart. He used those 3 pieces to weigh firewood of all weight from 1 kg to 9 kg. There is how Abdul weighted 1 kg of firewood.
What he done, Abdul?
The
He
weight.
has 5 kg and 6 kg. Okay, but he need to find out 1 kg. He need to find out 1 kg of firewood. So this is the balance what he has. So to find out 1 kg, we know that clearly 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. So he kept the 6 kg weight here and 5 kg weight here. The remaining, so then what happened? The 6 kg will go down. So he has to make it equal. So he kept the firewood here, remaining balance. Okay. So 5 kg stone and 1 kg firewood. So this is the 1 kg firewood he got. Okay, children? Did you understand? To weight 1 kg, what he done? he kept 6 kg stone in one pan and 5 kg stone in one pan. So it should equal. He want to make it equal, the balance equal. Then only we will get here 6 kg. Okay. So remaining, he kept the firewood here so that he can get the 6 kg equal. The two pans will be equal here. So this is the 1 kg of firewood he got. Okay. Now look at the next page, Ima. 4 kg of firewood. If you want to make 4 kg of firewood, how he can weigh, ma? 4 kg, how he can weigh? Anyone? 4 kg.
6 minus 2, ma'am.
Very good. 6 minus 2. So what he made? He kept the 6 kg stone here, 2 kg stone here. And the remaining is what? 4 kg firewood. Then only we can make it equal. Okay? 6 kg, sorry, 4 kg firewood here. Okay? But here some stones are given for us. Some pieces are given for us. Same only, na? Yes. 5 kg, 6 kg, 2 kg. So 6 minus 2, 4 we will get there. 4 kg firewood. Okay, next. Next, what you have to find out? 3 kg firewood. To find 3 kg,
3 kgs of power.
how we will write by here?
5 minus 2.
Yes, very
5
good.
minus 2, ma'am.
5 minus 2. So in one pan he can kept 5 kg stone and here 2 kg. So remaining he balanced with the firewood. Remaining 3 kgs he balanced with the firewood and there he will get 3 kg firewood. Okay, children? Next, 7 kg firewood. 7 kg, how he can do, ma? 7 kg.
5 plus 2, ma'am.
Very good.
5 plus 2, ma'am.
5 plus 2.
2.
You are very smart, children. 5 kg plus 2 kg, we will get 7 kg.
7 kg,
So here
ma'am.
he takes 5 kg and 2 kg, both the stones in one pan. The remaining he balanced with the firewood. So this is 7 kg firewood.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, did you understand how to do?
Yes, ma'am.
How to balance the weight?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
11 kg firewood. How you can tell me? How can you do it? 11
Yes,
kg
ma'am.
firewood.
5 plus 6, ma'am. 2, ma'am. 9 kg.
5 plus 2.
5 plus
Yeah,
6.
5
Very
plus
good.
6,
5
ma'am.
plus 6, we will get 11. I want 8 kg firewood.
4
4 plus 4. 4,
But
ma'am.
your weights are
4
given
plus
5,
4.
6, 2 only. Using these
Okay.
weights. 8 kg firewood.
6 plus 2, ma'am.
Very good. 6 plus 2. Hey, children, that's all for today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.